Shalom lekulam. Welcome back to a new video of Hebreways. My name is Ro'i, and today we're going to be learning Tehillim Aleph, meaning Psalm 1 in Hebrew. I'm really looking forward. Psalm is written in Hebrew, in Ivrit, as well as the whole Bible, so it's really fascinating, and I was thinking, why not doing more biblical Hebrew? This is one of the many fascinating parts about Hebrew is the history and how important it is, so let's do that. First, I want you guys to start speaking Hebrew today. You can download the free guides in the link below. Check that out. And you can also check the Hebrew Made Simple course. You got everything you need, more than 8 hours of pure course time and more than 50 hours of live classes that are recorded there. So much knowledge. You get quizzes, you get lifetime access, you get bonuses, everything. You can just check out and take a look for that for yourself if you want. And that's it. Speak confidently in the course below in the link. Let's get to it. So, first stop, we're going to be doing Hebrew and English slowly, and then we're going to see it the full psalm reading in Hebrew and the English next to it. I'm starting right now. Get your water, whatever. Let's do it. Ashrei Haish. Blessed is the man. Ish is person or man. Ashrei is like saying blessed. Blessed is the man. Ashrei Haish. Asher lo halach. Asher, like the name Asher, first of all, is one of the 12 tribes, but Asher means also who has or which. It's really building sentences together. The word Asher is really common. Lo halach, who has not walked, didn't walk. Blessed is the man who did not walk. Ba'atzat reshaim, in the counsel of the wicked. Ba is like in the, atza is like saying advice. Ba'atzat reshaim, in the counsel. Rasha is like an evil person or a bad person. So in the counsel of the wicked, of the bad, the evil people. Uvederech chataim. Ve or u means and. Ve or ve means in. And the derech is way or path. And in the path of chataim. Chataim could mean sins or could mean sinners in this sentence. Uvederech chataim lo amad, did not stand, has not stood. Good. Uvemoshav letzim, and in the seat. Moshav is a seat. Letzim is scoffers. Could also mean like clowns, people who joke. So it's really interesting. Uvemoshav letzim lo yashav, he has not sat. Yoshev is sitting. Lo yashav meaning did not seat, has not sat. Verse 2. Ki im. Ki could mean because or that. In this case, it more translates to but even. Ki im, because if or but with. Betorat Adonai, in the Torah of Adonai, of the Lord. Torah could mean law. So in the law of the Lord, chefzo, in his delight. Uvetorato, and on his law, his Torah, yehege. Yehege means he meditates, he ponders. Okay. Yomam valayla, day and night. Yom is day, Laila is night. Vehaya, and he was and he shall be. Ke'etz, ke is like or as, etz is a tree. Like a tree, shatul, planted, al palgei maim, on or by streams of water. Maim means water. Asher piryo, we see asher again, which its fruits. Iten beito. Iten meaning he will give or will yield. Beito in its time, in its season. It's really interesting. Ve'alehu, and its leaf, his leaf, lo ibol, will not wither. Vechol asher ya'aseh, vechol asher ya'aseh, meaning and all in which and all that he does, all that he will do, yatzliach. Yatzliach means he will succeed, he shall prosper. After we'll see everything reviewed together with the English next to it. It's gonna be really cool. Lo chen hareshaim. So lo chen looks like not yes. No yes, but it's like not so. Not like that. Hareshaim. The wicked, the evil people are not like this. Not so. Ki im kamotz. But they are like chaff. It's like waste, dry shell. Asher tidfenu ruach. That the wind, ruach, will drive away. Cool. Al ken, meaning therefore, lo yakumu reshaim. The wicked will not stand. Kam is get up or stand. Lakum. The evil people will not stand. Bamishpat, in the sentence or in the judgment. Vechataim, meaning and sinners or nor sinners. Ba'adat tzadikim. Again, in the council, in the congregation of the righteous. Tzadik means righteous. It shows up a lot in the Bible. Okay. Ki yodea Adonai. Because or for in this case, yodea means know, and Adonai is the Lord, is God. Because the Lord knows. Derech tzadikim, the way of the righteous. Vederech reshaim, and the way of the wicked, the evil. Toved, will perish, shall perish. Okay, so this is the full Psalm 1 read in Hebrew. I hope you guys understood a lot. Let's see now a bit more zooming out. Okay, this is verse 1. Ashrei ha'ish asher lo halach ba'atzat reshaim ובדרך חטאים לא עמד ובמושב לצים לא ישב. Meaning, blessed is the man who has not walked in the counsel of the wicked, the evil, and in the way of sinners he has not stood, and in the seat of scoffers he has not sat. כי אם בתורת אדוני חפצו, ובתורתו יהגה יומם ולילה. But in the law of the Lord is his delight, and on his law he meditates, he ponders day and night. והיה כעץ שתול על פלגי מים, אשר פריו ייתן בעיתו, ועליהו לא ייבול, וכל אשר יעשה יצליח. And he shall be like a tree planted by streams of water, which its fruits yield in its season, in its time, and its leaf will not wither, and all that he does, he shall prosper and succeed. לא כן הרשעים, כי אם כמוץ, אשר תדפנו רוח. The wicked are not so, but they are like chaff, waste, that the wind drives away. על כן לא יקומו רשעים במשפט, וחטאים בעדת צדיקים. Therefore, the wicked will not stand in the judgment, nor sinners in the congregation of the righteous. כי יודע אדוני דרך צדיקים, ודרך רשעים תאבד. For the Lord knows, because the Lord knows, the way of the righteous, and the way of the wicked, the evil, will perish. Toda Rabba, thank you guys very much. This was so fun to make. It's like a meditation. I feel so good even now after filming it. So I thank you. Guys, wishing you all the best. God bless you, and see you on the next video. Toda Rabba.